Hello and welcome to Inspirational Pathshala, where an ocean of inspiration is waiting for you to unleash your hidden talent. Do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much for doing so. Let's get started. Inculcate these handy H's in your life and be a happy person. First H is honest. हमेशा याद रखिए, if you want to be trusted, be honest. हर सिचुएशन में, चाहे कोई भी सिचुएशन हो, बी ऑनेस्ट, क्योंकि ग्रेटनेस की तरफ पहला कदम ऑनेस्टी है. टुडे ऑल्सो ऑनेस्टी इज द बेस्ट पॉलिसी. ऐसी सिचुएशंस आएंगी जब आपको लगेगा कि आप झूठ बोल सकते हो और बच सकते हो उन चीज़ों से. नहीं, स्टे ऑनेस्ट इन दैट सिचुएशन ऑल्सो. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू बी ग्रेट, स्टे ऑनेस्ट ऑलवेज. Second H is be a happy-go-lucky person. Carefree, positive, worry-free attitude, and always think that everything is going to be fine. वो आपको खुशी देगा, खुश रखेगा, and ultimately you will be able to live your life in a better way. आपकी चिंता करने से होगा भी क्या? सॉल्यूशन तो नहीं निकलेगा. अगर किसी सिचुएशन में आप फंसे हुए हैं, सॉल्यूशन तब भी नहीं निकलेगा. So be a happy-go-lucky person. Whatever is happening, it is happening for a reason, and accept it. Keep moving, and उसकी तरफ आप अपना कदम बढ़ाते चलिए और कोई ना कोई सोल्यूशन निकल कर ज़रूर आएगा. रुकना नहीं है, चलते रहना है, बट विद हैप्पीनेस. अब जो मैं आपको बताने चाह रही हूँ, उस एज को हम इतना लाइटली लेते हैं. जब तक हम उसको लूज कर चुके होते हैं, तब हमें उसका एहसास होता है. द नेक्स्ट वन इज health. It's rightly said, health is like money. We never have a true idea of its value until we lose it. Health is not only about your physical health, it is about your mental health, it is about your emotional health and physical as well. और आपको simultaneously हर तरीके की हेल्थ पर काम करना है. So for your physical health, you need to go for a walk, और अपने खाने पर कंट्रोल रखना है, अपने जिम जाइए, एनीथिंग दैट सूट्स यू एंड विच यू लाइक. जस्ट गो फॉर योर फिजिकल हेल्थ. योर मेंटल हेल्थ कैन बी थ्रू मेडिटेशन, अटेंडिंग वेरियस सेमिनार्स, प्रोग्राम्स, जो भी आपको पसंद है. एंड इमोशनल हेल्थ इज कीप टॉकिंग टू योर रिलेटिव्स, कीप एम्प्टिंग योर कप. जो आपकी वरीज का कप है, आप बताइए, आप लोगों से शेयर कीजिए जिनको आप क्लोज समझते हैं और जो आपकी हेल्प कर सकते हैं. Please share it. Emotional well-being is very important. It is as important as your physical and mental well-being. So अपनी health का ध्यान रखिए. Health is wealth. If you are healthy, you are wealthy. Next is hard working. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Isn't it true? आप देखिए, कोई टैलेंटेड होगा और वो हार्ड वर्क नहीं करेगा, he will not reach to the destination. But a lesser talented person with more hard work will definitely achieve what he wants to achieve. So hard work आपकी रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी का एक अहम हिस्सा है, और हार्ड वर्क का कोई भी सब्स्टिट्यूट नहीं है. It is just that you need to work hard. You have to strive every day and work and work and work. Next H is hope. Be hopeful in all the situations. Hope का मतलब है hoping even when things seem hopeless. Hope रखनी बहुत ज़रूरी है. जिन्होंने भी hope रखी है, they have definitely found their ways. And hope का acronym is hold on, pain ends. So keep holding on, keep having that faith in yourself. So be hopeful always in all the situations. Next is be humane. It is rightly said, the greatness of humanity is not in being human, but in being humane. और humane का मतलब है compassion, feelings for others, helping people. So be humane. And the last H is habit. Whatever you are today is because of your habits. We all are born same, but we are different human beings because of our habits. and your habits will determine your future. Quality is not an act, it is a habit. Excellence is not an act, it is a habit. So, those who have achieved the pinnacles of success, they had good habits. So, shun away all your bad habits right now. Always remember, a change in bad habit leads to change in life. And the best part is that you can change your life at any point of time. It can be in the age of 10 years, 20 years, 40 years, 70 years. Hell lot of examples are there in the world where people have changed their habits and they have become the finest human beings on this earth. After watching this video, I expect you all to have these hurricane etched in your life and be a healthy person inside out. Thank you so much for watching.